Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners. Today we are going to talk about some formal and informal English. And this formal and informal English we should know nicely for our daily conversation. The first one is what is called formal English, that you know that if you are the student, your formal English will be with your class teachers, your elders, your principals, headmaster. And if you are not a student, it could be the unknown person, that could be the formal English you have to use. And the informal English you can use with your friends, cousins, relatives, something like that, not with the elders. Sometimes it depends on your context that when to use formal and informal English. Let's learn some of the formal and informal English that you should know better. So let's get started. The first one is hello and hi. Hello and hi. So hello is an, hello. Which one will be the formal one? The hello will be the formal one and hi will be the informal one. Next, thank you and thanks. Yes, thank you will be the formal one and thanks will be the Now the goodbye and so long. Goodbye will be the formal one and so long informal one. If I say it's a nice pleasure to meet, if I say it's a pleasure to meet you, or nice to meet you, or nice meeting you, which one will be the formal one and which one will be the informal one? Yes, you are absolutely right. It's a pleasure to meet you is the most formal one, and nice to meet you or nice meeting you is the informal one. I'm afraid I have no idea. On the other hand, I don't know. Yes, I'm afraid I have no idea. This is the formal one. On the other hand, if I say I don't know, this is the informal one. Here, I'm afraid I have no idea. It means I'm afraid, I'm sorry, I have no idea. I don't know him. It's the informal one. Can you guess what can be the formal sentence? Yes, you can say, I don't think we have met before. I don't think we have met before. I beg your pardon. If you couldn't understand anything, you can say, I beg your pardon. What can be the informal one? Yes, I beg your pardon. It will be what? For example, someone has told, have you done this work? You didn't do that work totally, right? Then you can say, formally, I beg your pardon, or actually you didn't do that work, right? What?